Hey guys, it's Sean here again, and today I'll be doing another unboxing, and this time it's not an Apple product, it's actually a smartphone from Samsung. It's the new mid-tier A series smartphone called the A54, and this one actually has a lot of upgrades compared to the previous gen A53. So this one I believe has a new camera sensor, which I think they've borrowed from the S23. Also a new display as well as a new processor. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see if it's really worth it or not. So here it is guys, the Amazon package that it came in, and let's go ahead and unbox this up with my huge knife here. Hopefully I'll do this without cutting my finger. Let's open this up. Here it is guys, Samsung Galaxy A54, and looks really good. The box is kind of small, but all phones nowadays are coming with small boxes because there are no chargers. So yeah, this looks good. Let's zoom in a little bit and see what it says here, the specs. So it's just saying that it comes with a SIM ejection pin, USB-C cable, and some instruction guides, and that should be it. Yeah, looks good. So let's go ahead and unbox this up. Oh, and by the way, this is in the awesome graphite color, which is basically a black color, and it also comes in the new lavender purplish color. And I opted for this black color because it looked really nice in the pictures. So let's go ahead and see if it looks good in person as well. Let's open up the seal here first. So there are two seals on this box. Oops, don't want to cut the box. Here we are. Okay, it's opened, I think. Get my knife out of the way, I don't want to cut myself. And here it is guys. Here's the phone itself, all packed up in this cover. Wow, nice, looks good. Feels a little heavy, kind of like an iPhone. Wow, it's good. Let's put this to the side for a second and see what else we get in the box. We get this little box here, the SIM ejection tool right here, and in this box we get a quick start guide and the USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, and I believe that is all that you get. Nice. So let's open up this phone now. Let's get it out of the cover real quick. I believe you open it from here. Oh no, from the top, I guess. No. So yeah, I think you just open it through here. This, actually there was a pull tab right here, I didn't see that. So okay. Wow, feels premium. It's a mid-tier phone, but wow, feels so good. I think it has the aluminum body. Yep. Wow, really good. I'm not sure if it's aluminum or plastic, but feels like aluminum. Also has some weight to it, so I'm guessing it's aluminum. Also, it has a different shape compared to the previous Gen A50 series phones. I think the corners are more round compared to the A53 and the A33 that I have. Yeah, wow, this looks really good. So let's turn this on. Now this one comes with a new processor from Samsung. I believe it's the Exynos 1380, and which is actually 20% faster than the previous gen Exynos, which was found in the A53, and also 26% faster GPU as well. Okay, so it's turned on already. That was pretty fast. Click on start. Okay, it's asking me to insert a SIM card, but I'm not going to do that right now. Agree to all. Set up using another device. I'm going to skip that. I'm just going to add my Wi-Fi details here real quick. So now it's asking me for the service provider. And this one is actually a factory unlocked version, so you can use any SIM card you have. So if you have Verizon or T-Mobile, you can use it with this, and it will work flawlessly. Let's go ahead and skip this, because I'm not adding my SIM card right now. Wow, this phone looks so good in this black color. Wow. It's kind of more like gray, you know, like dark gray, blackish gray. Wow. It feels premium. Wow. Samsung's getting better with their mid-tier phones. I can tell that. Okay, I'm not gonna copy them for now. And I believe with this new mid-tier smartphone, Samsung's gap between the latest S23 and this smartphone is even smaller now. Because like I said before, it has a new camera sensor, which is, I believe it's borrowed from the S23. It's a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens. And then this one, I believe, is the 12 megapixel zoom lens. So yeah, this is actually the 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, and then this is going to be the 5 megapixel macro lens. And you can see that the new design, it's kind of taken from the S23, where all the lenses are individually embedded into the glass here. It's kind of like similar to the S23, I believe. It looks so good. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna add my Google account real quick. So we're done with adding the Google account. Okay, so we're done adding the Google account, and so it's just getting my account info now. And accept to this. I'm gonna skip this for now. Okay, let's do this real quick. Okay, I agree. No, I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna skip this for now. I like dark mode for my displays because it saves the batteries and it looks much cooler. So, especially on the AMOLED displays. Okay, so you're all set up. Let's click finish. And I can already tell the display on this is gorgeous. Wow, display looks so good. Let's go ahead and pop up the brightness all the way up. Yes. Oh man, this looks so much better compared to my A33. Wow. Also feels quite fast. Nice. Wow. I like this glass back as well. It feels so good. Let's try out the camera on this. So this has a wide angle lens and the normal 50 megapixel, then a zoom lens, which is 2x. And I think you can go all the way to 10x on this. not bad. Wow. See, the zoom picture here looks so good. And I believe this phone also has a 32 megapixel selfie camera in it, just like its old predecessor. Samsung is putting some real power into their cameras now. I can see that. Wow, this display on this phone looks so good. It actually looks just like a display from the S20 series. It's actually that good. Let's go ahead and see if the 120 Hz setting is on or not. Let's go to settings. Okay, display. Motion smoothness, it is on, so yeah, that's why it's so smooth. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and download some games actually and see how well this performs, because they say it's 26% faster than the old versions. So let's see. The GPU performance is 26% faster, so let's go ahead and see if that's true or not. So we're gonna go ahead and download some games here. I'm also gonna download PUBG. I'm gonna download the Call of Duty. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the live wallpaper on this phone. Check this out, it looks so good. Wow. Oh, and by the way, this phone is a 128 gigs version, and it also has 6 gigs of RAM in this, and I believe the 256 GB version has a 8 GB RAM in it. And this is the US version. So finally done downloading the games, and let's get started with Call of Duty first. And wow, the display on this phone is so good. It's downloading some updates right now. So here we are, let's try out a new match and see how. First, let's see settings, see how high this can go. So we're gonna go high. Oh, so for max it takes the graphic quality to low and make it just high and very high frame rate. That should be good. On the bit display, I guess it went low, so I think it's probably an automatic right now. Wow, feels pretty smooth actually. So smooth. Wow, so smooth. We've taken the lead. UAV online. Predator missile awaiting orders. Predator missile inbound. So as you guys can see, this is pretty smooth actually. The game on this phone actually much smoother than my A33. Now we're gonna go ahead and try out PUBG. Now we're gonna go with the HD graphics pack because we want the graphics to look good, right?
You can move freely on Spawn Island while you wait to board the plane.
Okay. Looks good. There's a little bit of lag right now, but I believe it's the game, not the phone. Looks good now, actually. I think it's smooth now. Let's go ahead and check the settings, the graphic settings. Put it on HD. Actually, it's in game, so I can't change it right now. Yeah, so it's running pretty smooth so far. I mean, not as smooth as it would run on a flagship phone, but it's pretty playable. I think it's quite smooth for this phone. So yeah, it's pretty good, I think.
I'm out. Need ammo.
Yeah, I think it's pretty smooth. Now let's go ahead and try some of the normal games like Angry Birds 2. See how well that performs on this. Let's try this out. Oh wow. You have to see this display in real life to feel what I'm saying. It's so bright and so nice, so smooth. You can't tell that through the camera or in the video. For a budget mid-tier smartphone, it's pretty good actually. Wow, really nice. The graphics are pretty good too. As you guys just saw, all 3 games ran pretty smooth on this. And I guess that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching.